want that.
We're in Loch Garten Nature Centre on a nice sunny day in the forest. It's been unbelievable. Yeah, I think we've had maybe twice the amount of people through the door on a daily basis.
They wouldn't go because we are with your papa and mama.
It's like a baby lamb.
When you live close to the sea, they have...
Obviously the return of ospreys has been a really exciting thing. First time in 5 years that we've had osprey chicks on the nest, so yeah.
That was my thought.
I think the quality of our cameras has been the biggest thing that people have been surprised by, and how much they've actually been able to experience. You know, even if they're not able to see the nest physically, the white-tailed eagle nest from where they are, it's still been an amazing process that they can follow these birds and come back and see their lives. And yeah, a lot of people have been surprisingly mesmerised by it as an experience. I know I have. The situation with having the screens above and being able to look out of the flaps in the centre, it's bringing that story and that narrative all together as one. So people are connecting with the story at home, they can watch the ospreys online, they're coming in, we're being able to interpret what's going on in the season, and then people are actually able to see with their own eyes what's taking place on the nest. And it's that bringing together of nature and technology and how we should see it in a natural setting that is enhancing people's experience, as opposed to having everybody stuck on the screens and feeling like they're not getting out and enjoying it. So.
Yeah, because she's sitting behind the sat behind the barometer, the camera.